A heated exchange has erupted between the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory (FCT) Wike and the senator representing the FCT, Kingibe, over the recent sealing of properties in Abuja for unpaid ground rent. Senator Kingibe criticized the action, calling it unconstitutional and harsh. She said the government closed many buildings, including important offices like Access Bank and the People's Democratic Party (PDP) Secretariat, without proper legal steps. According to her, the law allows for offense of such charges, not locking up buildings. Wike's team quickly responded. His media aide, Lere Olayinka, accused Kingibe of misunderstanding the law and attacking Wike for political reasons. He said people who don't pay ground rent are breaking the rules of their land document, which could lead to property revocation. Kingibe, however, stood her ground. She said enforcing payment is fine, but it must follow legal processes. She warned that sudden property closures halt the economy and break public trust.
So where's your son? That's what I'm saying. I don't know. I don't want to get me back. We're taking you know where you are? Yes. I don't know what's your issue. Just can you hold on that from it has been revoked. The court has been revoked. Yes. So please, just we can be you know I began by apologizing. I'm trying to apologize that
However, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu had recently given property owners 14 days to pay what they owe. This stopped the ceiling for now, but the argument between Wike and Kingibe shows ongoing political tension in Abuja. Kingibe assured residents that she's working to make sure the law is followed and promised to take the issue to the Senate for proper action. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below. We will continue to keep a close eye on this story for more news updates as it develops. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.